Here at ROG, we're always pushing the boundaries of gaming, constantly striving for better performance in smaller devices. From convertible laptops and tablets to controllers and even smart contact lenses, nothing has ever stopped us from going further and harder. And now, we're combining all our know-how into one single device to wear the crown. Introducing ROG Ally, ROG's first handheld console. This time, we're finally bringing true PC performance to your life on the go. The ROG Ally is a Windows gaming handheld that allows you to pick up and play all your game libraries wherever you are, whenever you want. To make it all possible, ROG and AMD work together to custom make the fastest AMD APU yet.